So we're told that the current ratio of students to teachers at a certain school is 30 to 1. And I'm going to call S the number of students, teachers T, so this really means S over T is 30 over 1. We're told that the student enrollment were to increase by 50 students, so S plus 50 now. The number of teachers were to increase by 5, T plus 5. We're told that the ratio of students to teachers would then be 25 to 1. So S plus 50 over T plus 5. Now that becomes 25 over 1. They're asking the present number of teachers, or T. So we do have two equations, two unknown. I'm going to cross multiply here. So this is S plus 50. And I can distribute the 25t plus 125, subtract 50, so that's 75. So our second equation cleans up to S is 25t plus 75. Here, if I cross multiply, I get S is 30t. I can equate these two because they both represent S. So I have 30t equal to 25t plus 75. Subtract 25t, I get 5t. And then t is 75 over 5, which is 15. So the answer is 15. Now, there's another way one could do this problem, and it's a matter of preference. And this, I would say, this comes up more in if you have ratios of 3 or more quantities. With 2, I think there isn't a whole lot of advantage. So if you're given the ratio is 30 to 1, you can use one unknown to say you have 30x students and x teachers, 1x or x. We're told that the student enrollment were to increase by 50 students, meaning it's now 30x plus 50, and the teachers would increase by 5. We have the new ratio between these two quantities is 25 to 1. So we cross multiply 30x plus 50. Actually, this might be cleaner than the previous approach, but the previous setup, you might need that in data sufficiency because there are, the statements may not give you complete information, but in problem solving, this seems like this is cleaner. So 25 times 5 is 125 again. Subtract that, and I have 5x, and I get x again is 15, which is really what we're looking for. So again, to recap, you can use either approach, using a single variable when you're given a ratio, or the two unknown setup that I used here. Either case, the answer is 15, which is choice E.